Good morning, everybody. I think it's time to come out and say the truth. The truth about Mercy Johnson. In 2003, I heard there was an audition at National Theatre. Mercy, I take Okada go to audition. I no take Okada go to audition. Come out and deny it now. I have proof. Come out and deny it. Even the woman that sells Mama Put inside the National Theatre that day, I wanted to buy food from her. I wanted to buy one meat in my food. Mercy said I should buy it too. No, if I'm lying, come out and deny it. Mercy Johnson, come out and say you did not tell me to buy 2 meats. There's one that I want to buy. I have all my receipts. All these things, I have all my allegations laid, pressed against you. I have my evidence. Man, I want to send you this video now. And the new challenge with that, everybody has to drag you because I want everybody to the shop now. So, Mercy Johnson, I want you to come out and deny it. That I did not buy 1 meat instead of 2. I'm waiting for your reply.